SQA Higher Maths 2022, Paper 1, Question 1. Have a look at the question, read it, maybe try it yourself, and let's go through the official marks that what SQA gave. So it says determine the equation of a line perpendicular to 5x plus 2y equals 7, passing through the point minus 1, 6. So we've got 5x plus 2y equals 7, so we need to work out the gradient or state the gradient of that line. So I will do some work for that. We've got 2y equals minus 5x plus 7. So y equals minus 5 over 2x plus 7. So the gradient of this line is minus 5 over 2. And you get a mark for working that out. So there's your first mark there. And for your second mark, you get a mark for using perpendicular gradients. So if you say the gradient of the perpendicular equals 2 over 5 because of negative reciprocals. M1 times M2 equals minus 1, remember. For this paper, you didn't have to state that M1 times M2 equals minus 1, but let's just put that at the side because most of the time you'd probably say that just to be on the safe side. And for your final mark, we have to work out the equation of the line, so we're going to use y minus b equals mx minus a for that. Or any other method, y equals mx plus c would also work. So if I call that a and b, and I've got y minus b equals m, x minus a. So I've got y minus 6 equals 2 over 5, x minus minus 1. There's my working so far for there. Eliminating the fractions by times and by 5, we've got 5y minus 6 equals 2x plus 1. And expanding our brackets, so we get 5y minus 30 equals 2x plus 2. And then we can leave it in any form we want as long as it's tidied up and simplified. So in the official mark scheme, the SQA left it as 5y equals 2x, and they moved the 30 to the other side, added 30 to get plus 32, and that was your final mark there. But you could have left it in any form you wanted to, so as long as it's a reasonably simplified form, you could have minus 2x plus 5y equals 32 would be an option. You could divide through by 5 to get y equals 2 over 5x plus 32 over 5. Just double checking that that's a simplified fraction, and it is. But that's as far as you needed to go to get your final mark.